Hi guys, it's been so long that I've made a video, but I have to make this video because we're going on the Hippo tour, or we went on the Hippo tour, and I want you to enjoy. I want you to see. No, I videoed, I recorded it, so you can watch this. So enjoy the Hippo tour. It's a really nice tour. It's seen Lisbon on road and on water, and it was so much fun. So enjoy. The bus can swim.
We call the discovery period, the period between the 15th and the 17th century, on which we, the Portuguese, we built our small little ships that we call the caravels, and we sailed the seven seas. All the products that we brought from other countries, they were commercialized right here. Cais do Sodré, Sodré Pier, if you want to translate. Nowadays it's not a very important comprar por corredores, digamos assim. O objetivo era que as pessoas não passassem muito tempo nesta zona, pois o Marquês de Pombal considerava que... Reforms. Do lado seguinte estarão as reformas político-sociais. A hat? In Portugal he needs a license. Well, but let's try it your way. The hat. A round of applause to Captain Pedro. Agora que é sério. Everybody has the seatbelt fastened? Really, really important, sim? Everybody? Ok. Aqui está tudo preparadinho para ir para a água? Sim? Tudo tranquilo? So now a relaxing song. That's a different story, okay? And ataques de piratas. Podiam entrar o Rio Tejo, tinham ido a Lisboa. Do some free shopping here. No, we have a tower right here. And precisely, a ship. Like a radius of 60 kilometers, so they can, well, they're controlling us right now, okay? And basicamente é a torre de controle do tráfego do...